So let me tell you a story. My friend and I were going to hold a workshop and charge people $45 a piece to come and wood burn a project. We had the cute idea, we had everything gathered up, we had a cute studio space, we were ready for action, right? Except for an hour before the class. Okay. We looked at each other and I was like, how did it go for you? I don't know. I didn't get to do it. How did it go for you? I don't know. I haven't done it either. Saying, who do we think we are charging people money to teach a class? We've never even done this ourselves. Okay. Pulled it off. It was fun and it was good. And look, we were sweating bullets. We jumped on YouTube and learned how to wood burn really fast right before class started. Nobody knew, I don't think. Very good. So different wood burns differently. There and have some fun. Okay, cheap wooden spoons, scrap wood from my backyard. The link to how we cut these scrap wood cutting boards out, it will be in the description box. All right, I used DIY Dark and Decrepit for a stain. We ended up using the side that was all rusty crusty from the outside, but I love this stuff. It's non-toxic, it washes out of your brushes and everything really easy. And we also have Old and Gray if you want that wood tone. Right here we're using the Iron Orchid Grape stamps. All the products will be linked in the description box that we use. These are great for outlines to use cute designs, and we did a masking technique that'll be in another video to where it can look like the leaf is coming from behind it, not all muddled up. So we are using the Iron Orchid ink, but you could also use clay paint on these stamps, and you're just trying to get an outline, some training wheels, a pattern to do your wood burning with. So while we had the stamps out, we decided to stamp the back side, and it's fun to do like a seasonal look on one side and something different on the front. We could burn this later if we wanted, but we just left it stamped. It looked really good. The ink takes 24 hours to dry, and the DIY clay paint, if you choose to use that, will dry really fast, but you do have to use a sealer over it. All right, we decided to double team this thing and get her done. It is so fun to do this. The best way to wood burn is you take it and put your tip down, and there are different shape tips and you'll get figured out what one you like, but you put it on there and you drag it slowly. You don't want to go fast. And these are just pre-pandemic priced was $8. We got them on sale for $5 at Harbor Freight. They are not that great, honestly, but they work. But if you're really into this and you can see yourself doing this a lot, invest in a higher quality one because it's worth it. And they are really good, and you can use them on leather and felt hats and all sorts of things. So she's kind of filling over because sometimes you can't tell if you burn that spot or not. So just give it a fill, but just don't burn yourself with these things. I mean, they are hotter than fire. I guess these are soldering tools too. I don't know anything about that. Maybe I'll give a class and figure out how to do it right before the class. We release a video every week. We'd love to have you like, subscribe, share, comment, all the things. Please help a sister out. And the picture you seen at the very first was Caitlin's first time to wood burn. And this is really fun. You should really try it and reach out if you need any help.